Every new day brings us new opportunities and challenges for getting success. A very cheerful and good morning and warm welcome to all. I, Neha Mogre, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering Departments, take a pleasure of being your host this morning. On behalf of Abha Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering, firstmost, I am very pleased to welcome our renowned chief guest who is connected on call with us, Honorable Dr. Neeraj Saxena, Advisor 1, Institutional Development Cell, AICT New Delhi. Welcome, sir. We all are gathered here for the inauguration of AICT IST sponsored one-week online induction refresher program on data science and its application. So let's start this event by offering our prayers to Ma Saraswati. With a kind permission from our invited guest, may I invite our dignitaries now to please proceed for traditional lamp lighting, as it's customary in this part of the world to commence any auspicious occasion with a divine blessing. I also request Honorable Chief Guest to virtually join for this traditional lamp lighting.
I'm with you there, virtually. Please mark my telepresence.
Thank you, everyone. Now I request all the dignitaries to please occupy their respective seats on the dais. Thank you all. Dignitaries on the dais, Honorable Chairman of Gaikwad Patil Group, Dr. Mohan Gaikwad Patil, Honorable Treasurer of Gaikwad Patil Group of Institution, Professor Sandeep Gaikwad, Honorable Director Admission, GPGI, Dr. Geeta Padole Gaikwad, Honorable Vice Principal and Convener of the program, Professor Pragati Patil, Honorable Director and IT Infrastructure, Professor Mukul Pandey, Honorable Registrar of Institution, Professor Abhimanyu Dutonde, Coordinator of the program, all Deans, HODs, faculty members of institution, and all the respected participants as a professor connected on call with us from Pan India. I, on behalf of Abha Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering, once again welcomes you all to this AICT IST sponsored one-week online induction refresher program on data science and its application. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very pleased to say that it's a matter of great pride for AGPCE that twice in a row AICT IST has granted the permission for conducting such prestigious event. I must therefore express my gratitude towards AICT and IST for believing in our institution that we can pull off this event. I am very pretty sure this one-week FDP will help all the participants to get acquainted with the recent technological advancements occurring in the areas of data science. To put a more light on this FDP, I would like to call upon convener of the program and Vice Principal, Professor Pragati Patil, for opening remark. Please, ma'am.
Thank you, Professor Neha. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. With the great thought of late President of India, Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, I would like to offer heartiest welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Neeraj Saxena, Advisor 1, Institutional Development Cell, AICT, New Delhi. I also would like to offer hearty welcome for this one-week induction refresher program. Present on the dais, Honorable Dr. Mohan Gaikwad Patil, Chairman Gaikwad Patil Group, Honorable Professor Sandeep Gaikwad, Treasurer Gaikwad Patil Group of Institution, Honorable Dr. Geeta Gaikwad, Director Admission, Honorable Professor Mukul Pandey, Director IT, Honorable Dr. Savai, Registrar of the institution, Coordinator of the program, Professor Abhimanyu Dutunde, all the eminent speakers who has accepted our invitation and who will be delivering these sessions in this one-week induction program. And they are from like prominent places like IITs, NITs, Triple IT, and very renowned places. The speakers have given their consent to deliver these sessions on this theme of data science and its application. All the participants who have joined across the nation, I offer a hearty welcome to every one of them who are virtually connected with us in the inaugural function of one-week STTP, one-week induction refresher program. As it is rightly said by the anchor, Professor Neha Mogre, that on this 364th day, wherein we are leading towards the end of the year and we are opening our arms to welcome new year, we are gathered here to celebrate or to inaugurate a very emergent topic, that is data science, which has a boom in industry, who has been drawn the attention of youth of this nation, who is well known, this data science and its application, or in nutshell we can say data science, this is the one of the topic which is recognized by the prominent academicians, industry professionals, and the youth of this nation. They are demanding this particular knowledge in this domain of data science. We are happy and we are proudly acknowledged by AICT and IST that they have given us the approval, they have recognized us to conduct the one-week program on the theme of data science and application. I can assure to all the participants that the theme which has been carried out in throughout one-week program, it will cover the basics of data science, its application, algorithms, machine learning, deep learning, and many more applications which are demanded by the industries with hands-on experience that will definitely be covered by the speakers who have accepted our invitations. They will be covering all these sessions, and I can assure you from this platform that the entire 1 week will be a knowledgeable week will be a knowledgeable in the sense that the participants will get the expected outcome from this 1 week FDP. As it is rightly said that last year itself we have been approved, we have received the fund sponsorship from AICT and IST to organize the 1 week program, 1 week event, 1 week induction refresher program, and the theme was Internet of Things and Application. I am happy to put on record that our institution, that is Abha Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Engineering, Nagpur, has conducted 3 phases successfully through virtual platform, and both AICT and IST has recognized our efforts, and they have given us the chance, they have given us the opportunity to explore our potential and to enhance, to refine the technical knowledge of the participants, so that the teaching fraternity, who has been known to disseminate the knowledge amongst the youth, amongst the student community, wherein the student-centric approach is the key point of, is the major concern of our teachers nowadays. So thank you. I must like to thank you. I must like to express my heartfelt gratitude to both the apex bodies, that is All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi, and IST, for giving us one more time a chance so that we can proof, so that we can disseminate the knowledge amongst the youth of this nation. We can upgrade ourselves, so that the in a true sense, the meaning of teachers can be get accomplished. And with this words, I must like to tell, whatever the objectives which has been laid down by AICTE IST for this particular 1 week STTP, we will try our best, sir, that to fulfill the objectives of this FDP. So thank you once again for joining with us, and I can assure you that this entire 1 week induction program will definitely be fruitful for every one of us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your valuable insights. Moving further, this morning we are delighted to have a very special and renowned personality as a chief guest with us, which is connected on call, Honorable Dr. Neeraj Saxena. Dr. Neeraj Saxena is an advisor 1 with the All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE New Delhi, Ministry of Education, and is currently heading its Institutional Development Cell, IDC, which operates schemes to fund infrastructure and institutional activities in AICTE approved colleges. He has pioneered AICTE IDEA, that is Idea Development Evaluation and Application Lab, and AICTE Spices, which is scheme promoting interest, creativity, ethics among students offered by IDC. He has earlier headed the Policy and Academic Planning Bureau, Prime Minister Special Scheme for Student for Jammu and Kashmir, and Skill Development Cell of AICTE since 2018. Sir is currently on deputation of AICTE from Technology Information Forecasting and Assessment Council, India's technology think tank, where he has been working as a scientist since 2000. He was a member of the team that scripted Technology Vision 2035 for the country and deeply involved in the development of technology roadmap for education, first ever foresight exercise for the sector. Dr. Saxena was selected by Department of Science and Technology to undergo Executive Education Program on Science, Technology and Innovation Policy. In 2006, he was trained in project management from World Bank funded projects at International Training Center of ILO in Turin in 2008. Dr. Neeraj Saxena sir was also a CSIR Research Fellow and Postdoctoral Fellow in the National Physical Laboratory, New Delhi. He specialized in the area of acoustic remote sensing and its application to air pollution, and was involved in establishing country's first indigenous Doppler sonar capable of remotely profiling wind and turbulence in the lower.
So good morning and namaskar to all the participants here, management of Abba Gaikwad Patil College, principal, the faculty, also the team which is organizing this FDP, and of course all the participants who are going to be receiving this FDP. So my greetings to all of you from AICTE, and it's very pleasing to see that an FDP is being organized on such an important topic, data science, and AICTE has already given a green signal for a full-fledged BTech program in data sciences. That's artificial intelligence and data sciences. I'm sure everybody here, all our data scientists, they must be aware of this DIWK pyramid, where the data sits at the bottom of the pyramid. So DIWK pyramid is very well known, and the data is just it's a meaningless, it's raw, and acquires some meaning when it is put in context, and that data becomes information. So if I say 3012 2021, it's a string of numbers. But if I say it's in the if I set the context as a day or date, then immediately you can connect that with that context. You can say it is today's date. So So, but this date also doesn't have much meaning unless you put some experience. It's just any other date. So when you say that it's the second last day or the 364th day of the year, then there is some prior knowledge going into it. So that realization happens because of past knowledge, which or experience which comes from the books, the teachers, the discussions, and other source of information. So that's how this data gets converted into information, and information into knowledge. And then finally, it is we who have to decide as a entity with brains, well advanced brains, whether to do something or not. And that is wisdom. So you have this pyramid with data, information, knowledge, and wisdom. So wisdom sitting at the top, and it is, if you see, you have added a lot of value moving up that pyramid. So if you look at in the context of education, we have so much of information, so much of knowledge also available these days, to the extent that we are all submerged and we get confused. If you just look at your mailbox or the phone message box, you find good ones being heavily outnumbered by the bad ones or the undesirable ones. So, but this is some tools are also required, and fortunately we have that expertise to develop those tools which come handy in deciding. But the last decision is still made by the humans. So this is how we are submerged in data, and I'm sure that this FDP is going to train the participants in getting information out of that data, further knowledge out of that information, and prepare people to be wise to make some decisions. Because wisdom, which sits at the top, is all about looking at the future. Rest of the things, data, information, knowledge, is about the past. So I'm sure that this FDP is going to be very useful to all the participants. And since this is an FDP and there was a mention of Idea Labs, we have almost redefined the FDPs. It will be very pleasing for all of you to hear that while we say that these FDPs are of 1 week, actually they boil down to 5 days, and further it's just 4.5 days. So we have almost redefined FDPs for our Idea Labs, which are actually for 7 days. 7 days which start not from Monday, but from middle of the week. That means your Sunday is also consumed in the FDP. So 7 full days, and 90% of that, the content is practicals, hands-on. Only 10% is just theory. So we have redefined FDPs, and I'm sure FDPs in other sectors would also think differently now and follow us to make use of the time and make it truly a 1 week program. So I think we are running short of time, so I'll stop here and wish you all the best. Have a great learning, and please do come forward with more suggestions, more knowledge, more information, and also suggestions. Thank you very much. I stop here. Over to you. Please do come forward with more suggestions, more knowledge, more information, and also suggestions. Thank you very much. I stop here. Over to you.
Thank you very much, sir, for being with us today. It was great to listen to your remarkable addressing note. I really appreciate that you for sparing your valuable time with us from your busy schedule. We surely look forward to have you with us in our campus soon in near future. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to invite a man with a distinct vision, fountainhead of experience. He is none other than our Honorable Treasurer of Gaikwad Patil Group of Institution, Professor Sandeep Gaikwad, for presidential remark.
Thanks, Neha. Very good morning to offline and the online dignitaries, because nowadays it's the era of digitization and online and offline. I really congratulate the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Aba Gaikwad Patil, for organizing 1 week refresher program, Data Science and its application. See, in Aba Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering, we recently started the emerging branch, that is Computer Science and Engineering with specialization in Data Science. I am very much thankful the IST and the AICT for giving an opportunity this Aba Gaikwad Patil College for organizing 1 week refresher program in an emerging area, that's data science and its application. I am again thankful to today's chief guest for the inauguration function, Dr. Neeraj Ji Saxena, for sparing his valuable time and guiding for the participant. I am also thankful the speaker, eminent speaker, and all learner participant, because see, the coincidence that the 1 week the Aba Gaikwad Patil College have chosen this 32, that is the ending of the year and starting of the year, the combination is that. That means the application of data science and its use is already explained by our chief guest. My best wishes for this 1 week refresher program, and enjoy this program. Thank you much.
Thank you, sir. It's always pleasure to listen to you. Now, I would like to call upon coordinator of the program, Professor Abhimanyu Dutonde, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning, all respected chief guest, respected management of the institutions, all the participant. I, Abhimanyu Dutonde, coordinator of the program, feel to privilege having to ask a proposed vote of thanks on these occasions. On behalf of Aba Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering, the first and the foremost, I would like to thank AICT and IST for providing us approval to organize 1 week induction and refresher program. I would like to propose heartily vote of thanks to our honorable chief guest, Dr. Neeraj Saxena, Advisor 1, Institutional Development Cell, AICT, New Delhi. We are really enlightened with your knowledge and the presence. I would like also acknowledge our esteemed speaker of 6 days who took their time out of their busy schedules and showering us with the pearl of wisdom and the knowledge. And we are truly humbled by your presence. Thank you once again. I would like to thankful to our Honorable Chairman, Gaikwad Patil Group of Institutions, Dr. Mohan Gaikwad Patil, for his kind support and the motivations. I sincerely thanks to our Honorable Treasurer, GPGI, Professor Sandeep Gaikwad, who is not a great motivation to all of us, but a visionary and the persons who gave us the beliefs to bring together with his program. I would like to thanks Honorable Principal Dr. Prashant Kadu for his enthusiastic support. I also wish to express my gratitude to convener of the program and the Vice Principal of AGPC, Professor Pragati Patil, for the perfect logistic support and the guidance. A special thanks to organizing committee, teaching, non-teaching staff of their inflict support of the coordinations. Our heartfelt thanks to all the participants of these induction and refresher programs, and I welcome you all for these 1 week induction and refresher programs. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Nyama.
Thank you very much, sir. Now let's end this remarkable inauguration by giving an honor to our country. I request all please to stand for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you very much all for joining. Thank you Dr. Neeraj Saxena sir for joining with us. All participants, you will be getting shortly the link of the expert session in your WhatsApp group. Thank you all.